master ordered him to be sold, along with his wife and his children, and all his property, in payment of debt. At that, the servant fell down, gave him homage, and said, "Be patient with me, and I will pay you back in full." Moved with compassion, the master of the servant let him go and forgave him the loan. When the servant had left, he found out one of his fellow servants who owed him as much as ordered amount. He seized him and started to choke him, demanding, "Pay back what you owe." Falling to his knees, his fellow servants begged him, "Be patient with me, and I will pay you back." But he refused. Instead, he had a fellow servant put in prison until he paid back the debt. Now, when his fellow servants saw what had happened, they were deeply disturbed, and went to their master and reported the whole affair. His master summoned him and said to him, "You wicked servant, I forgave you for the entire debt because you begged me to. Should you not have pity on your fellow servants as I have pity on you?" Then in anger, his master handed him over to the torturers until he should pay back the whole debt. So did my heavenly Father to you, unless each of you forgets his brother from his heart. When Jesus finished his words, he left Galilee and went to the district of Judea across the Jordan. The good